Scientific method question number 3. Experimental constants and variables. So you're going to be asked to provide a quick definition of a constant or variable. Okay, the first one. In an experiment, constants are conditions that differ or stay the same for each participant. So you're going to decide whether or not constants are conditions that differ for each participant or stay the same for each participant. You can only choose one. The next one. In an experiment, variables are conditions that differ for each participant, or in an experiment, variables are conditions that stay the same for each participant. Again, you can only choose one.